Welcome to my channel. So this time we're going to be making some homemade savoiardi and mascarpone that you can use to make tiramisù. But if you just need to make one of the two recipes, don't worry, I've included some timestamps in the description down below, so you can just click on it and go to the part that you need. So Savoiardi, or Ladyfingers, basically got its name from the Duchy of Savoy, or Casa Savoia, seeing that it is recognized as one of their official court cookies. It is also believed that it was first invented back in the 14th century in honor of Carlo IV of Luxembourg when he was visiting. Mascarpone, on the other hand, is a type of fresh cheese that is typical of the region of Lombardia, in particular the province of Lodi and Abietegrasso. It is made of fresh cream and citric acid and traditionally only made during the colder seasons. But nowadays it's also made all year long. Seeing that this is a type of fresh cheese, it goes bad pretty fast, so please keep that in mind if you try to make it at home. And that's pretty much it. Let's get started. So first of all, let's whisk the egg yolks and sugar until they expand to more or less 4 times the original volume. So basically the mixture is going to expand and get bigger. Now with the egg whites, we need to whisk it to a stiff peak, but add the sugar basically bit by bit. Sift the ingredients 2 times, the dry ingredients, so then we won't have any lumps, and this way we also get to incorporate as much air as possible into our ingredients. When folding the batter, we need to be really careful because we don't really want the batter to deflate. Let's be honest here, I'm horrible with sakaposh, but basically just try to make everything as uniform as possible, and yeah, that's it. So for science, I actually baked them 3 different times with different oven temperature, settings, and also time. And what you don't want to do is turn the fan on in your oven because that creates the most problems. So like the first time with the higher temperature and longer time, it just gets dark, but it's not burnt. But with the fan on, even if you put it for a shorter amount of time, it gets burnt on the bottom. So yeah, no fan. And this one is the one that I gave you the instruction for, and it's almost perfect. It's ugly, but that's because of me. But I mean, like, if you're going to put it in a tiramisu anyways, like, it's going to get covered with mascarpone, so it doesn't even matter. And so yeah, that's it for a Savoiardi. I hope that you like it and that you try it at home. And now we can go to the mascarpone. finish it. I hope that you like this video. If you like it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also to share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. And if you have any feedbacks or requests or whatever, please just leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!